Hi, it's Agnes. Welcome to day 5 of How to Attract a Specific Person Intermediate Workshop. And today we're going to look at using the imagination. So, Neville Goddard has said so beautifully, God is our own human imagination. So, we use this faculty and we combine it to make it more real with using all the senses. So you're adding in your sight, your smell, your taste, your hearing, your touch. Now, depending on what you want to manifest, in this case we're doing a specific person, you will use different senses in your scenes. So today we're going to really use as many of the senses as we can in creating an imaginal scene. Okay, so you're going to spend a little bit of time, you're going to create a short scene, and you're going to use whichever of the senses you feel is the most prominent in the scene that you're going to create. So, for example, say you go to a wonderful restaurant with your person, you're sitting opposite each other, you're having a romantic dinner. You're going to activate a few of the senses. You're going to have a sense of smell about the food, about them. Do they have lovely aftershave on, nice perfume? You're going to be able to use the sight. So you're going to be seeing them, seeing the restaurant, seeing the candles burning, the beautiful white plate with the food that the waiter brings to you. So you're going to activate the sight and the smell. You're also going to be able, in this scene, activate the taste. You're going to taste the food. You're obviously going to say to your person, oh, I absolutely love the taste of lamb roast and mashed potato and peas. So you, whatever it is that you're eating, you're going to comment on the food. You're also going to hear the beautiful music playing. Now, because you're creating the scene, you can choose whatever is playing in the background. Okay, so you can see in this particular instance, you can activate a lot of the senses. Now, why do we do this? Because it makes it more real. The more senses are activated within a scene, the more you can feel the realness of it, the more you can live in the wish fulfilled, and the more you can live from. Because remember, as Neville says so well, you're living from the end result, which is the solution to your problem, which is the absence of the person or that they're not giving you what you want. So you are letting go of the problem, which is the absence or them not giving, and you're activating through all the senses I've just described your end scene. Okay, so today spend a little bit of time doing that scene, and then tonight before you go to bed, read it through, then close your eyes and go through it exactly and activate it. Okay, now you might not be able to do it straight away because it is quite advanced, a little bit more challenging when you're not just seeing scenes. Okay, you are able to do you don't have to do all 5, okay? Just do maybe 3, maybe 2, but make sure that you activate them, that when you've got your screen of your mind, the black screen, and you bring in the scene of the restaurant, in this case, that you smell your person as you hug them. And then you look around and you smell the beautiful rose on the table. And then when the waiter brings the food, you linger in that moment and go, oh, I love the smell of that. And then you look at your person and say, I love when he wears that blue shirt and that lovely pair of jeans with that brown belt. Or you're looking at your woman and saying, I love that dress that she wears. She looks so beautiful in red with beautiful gold earrings. So you activate that stuff deliberately, okay? Now, for your extra little things from the previous days, you're going to continue to twice a day read your new affirmations, which are the beliefs that you've changed, And you're going to read once a day your I remember when. Okay. Now, also, you've got your law of assumption that you created the audio. So make a bit of time to fit that in as well. Okay, so every day you're adding little things, and then when the course is finished, you can pick the ones that you like the most, and you can continue to do those as your daily practice. Now, I'm going to add just a couple of things in the description for you to listen to, as I always do. Lots of love, happy manifesting, and be very focused and disciplined to the best of your ability as you do this course. Lots of love.